Hello.
Hello. Welcome back to Sandy and Julian's kitchen.
It's Monday.
Yes.
So today we're going to keep it simple. We're going to make us a sausage sandwich.
Yes, we are. And guys, it's going to start off with a good, tasty smoked sausage, covered and smothered in a big heaping pile of hubby's favorite
Onions.
onions. Y'all stay tuned.
Love onions. Okay, the first thing we're going to need to do is boil the sausage.
Right. So what we got here is our favorite smoked sausage. Now this is Manda's, and we're going to boil it in a pot of hot boiling water. And a lot of people do not do this step when they cook their sausages and stuff. They just take it straight to the skillet and cook it. But for two reasons, hubby and I like to boil ours. Just to get the little extra salt out of it. It doesn't take the flavor out. Just a little bit of that salt. And even with the salt, it still tastes great.
Yeah, to me it brings out more flavor. It
Yes.
does bring out more flavor for it.
So we're gonna boil it for a little while, guys, and we're gonna grill it on up. And the sausage is ready. So we're gonna take the sausage out. And what we're gonna do, let me bring it over to you, baby. What we're gonna do with them now, guys, is go ahead on and get them sliced in half. I'll show you how we're gonna slice them lengthwise. But first, and we're gonna grill them as well. But first, we're gonna slice them lengthwise, and then we are going to grill our onions. All right, guys, so here are our sausages. So what I'm gonna do is gonna take and cut them lengthwise, like this here. Just like that. And just kind of open them up a little bit, that's all. And now I am going to take them and put them on the grill and get them nice and grilled, okay? I'll be right back. All right, guys, so now we are to the good part. And this is when we do what?
We grill the meat.
And we grill the onions. So let's do the onions. We're going to drop the onions in here first, okay? So what we need is about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to drop that in. My spatula, babe. Out that drawer for me. And we're going to go ahead and drop that in. And on top of that, we're going to go ahead and let that melt on down. Hold on, drop me, sweetie. We're going to, once we get it all melted down, because I don't want the, it's going to, I think I just so impatient. She just won't let me dump our onions. Okay, so anyway, just go ahead and dump them in. Just like that, a heaping of onions. So this is about, how much, baby?
2 onions?
Yeah, I would say 2 cups or 2 big onions.
I like onions.
Yeah, and so we're going to go ahead on and get those cooked down. Babe. You'll put that up for me. All right, so while that is cooking down,
We'll grill the sausage.
I'm going to go ahead and grill the sauce. I'm going to bring the plate on over and stick them on the grill. So, just one moment. So the onions are going over here. Hubby's going to put the sausage down. So they can go ahead and get nice and grilled. So now that the onions are cooking down, baby, you're going to grind a pepper, switch this. I'm going to move this to the stove for a second. And switch this one over. Here, that is where that needs to be. And then this a little smaller. Yeah, I'll just move this one over a little bit, give it some room. Okay. So, there we go. Now, the onion's gonna cook here. They get nice and translucent. You brought the pepper to me?
Oh, I did.
You
Here
did?
you go.
Let me get quick. Right there. You can grate some pepper.
Oh,
you. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut these onions all down. And while they're cooking down, I'm gonna put a little of that on it right now. So I'm just gonna put just a little cooking wine on it. All around so it can, there we go. So we can go ahead on, it's gonna help them to cook them down a little bit more, so just kind of braise them a little bit. And you can use cooking wine, you don't have to use nothing. Sometimes people even pour beer over it. Move these over a little bit. Let's take our red pepper. These sausages are hot, so. Ooh, wait a minute. Ooh. Sausages are hot. Yeah. Y'all just gonna get, see, that guy got him too. Sausages are hot. In other words, you can see the red pepper on the grill, okay? So yeah, we turn these over. Look at those pretty grill marks on them. And we're gonna just let them continue to cook. Onions are coming along just fine. Just fine. They're almost ready too. Say about, what, how do you think, Dad? They about 2 more minutes maybe?
Maybe.
We'll see. Got to be patient.
Translucent.
Yes. So guys, while this is going down, let me tell you what her and I dressed ours with. You can dress yours with whatever. I put mayo. I want to do my homemade mayo, but husband said we're not doing all that today. And so I do mayo, some Dijon mustard, and a slice of pickle, and that's it. That's it. So yeah. You all like to eat sandwiches? Tell me what's your favorite sandwich, because I love sandwiches. I love all kinds of sandwiches. And my favorite, to be honest with you, I love this one here with sausage. I also like po' boys. I love those. I had to cook one of those for y'all. But yeah. So anyway, guys, we'll be right back. And these onions look like they are good and translucent. So I'm going to get ready to finish cooking them up. Just trying to get them a little bit caramelized. And we're going to put our sandwich together. Okay guys, so the onions are perfect. They are nice and translucent, and they got those little grilled edges on them like I like it. So now I am ready to dress our sandwich. So let's get to the counter. Okay, Dad. Yeah, you want to bring that pot over here that we're using? So the first thing I'm going to do is get these rolls ready. These are sausage rolls. And so what I'm going to do is just open them up just like that. They're already separated. And I'm just going to spread a little butter on the roll. Just spread it on here. Ooh, it's a little cold. I should have took it out a little earlier. But that's all. Just a little butter on it. And I'm going to put it in here faced up. Yep, just some nice sausage rolls. And let's spread it on here. And then I'm going to put them in the oven probably just until they got a little, this here brown. I got them broiled. Got to watch it. And into the oven, they are about to go. So yep, got them nice and buttery, and they're about to go in the oven. So the rolls are nice and ready. I'm gonna set them on the stove here, but I'm gonna dress them right here on this plate. So get this. All right. So I have a very good mayo here and some Dijon mustard. So we're gonna get the mayo on first here. I like a lot of mayo, hubby does not. Then we are going to do our mustard. Now, you can also put the mustard on top of the meat, but I like mine on my bun, but I'm only doing one side. Okay, and now we're gonna do the onion. Keep the onions on there really good. We're gonna put our sausages, we're gonna tear them apart like this and lay them right flat like that. Okay? So guys, that's it. That's our sandwiches. And go ahead and put them on a plate. Fold them on down like that. And what we're gonna do, you know, two, you can make up to 4 sandwiches with this. And we're going to just put our pickles on here. So guys, I'm just putting the pickles on now. I kind of cut them down a little bit. And just stuck it on that sandwich like that. Let me just cut this in half. Okay. There they go. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please come and give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. And we'll see you all in the next video. Bye.